In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate a fraction of an amount. First of all, looking at the question on the left-hand side, I need to find 3/4 of 44. Looking at the fraction 3/4, the denominator tells me how many parts I need to divide 44 into, and the numerator tells me how many of those parts I need. So first of all, I need to calculate the value of one of the 4 parts that I need to divide 44 into. So 44 divided by the denominator gives me 11. The numerator tells me I need 3 of these parts. So 3 times 11 is equal to 33. And this is what 3/4 of 44 is. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So first of all, we need to divide 30 into 10 parts, which was indicated by the denominator. One of the 10 parts is equal to 3. According to the numerator, I need 3 of them. So 3 times 3 is 9. And this is what 3/10 of 30 is.